Hi and welcome back. In this video I will show you the basics of XSS, which is short for cross-site scripting. XSS is a client-side code vulnerability which allows the attacker to inject malicious code into a website. This type of attack can be used to obtain cookies, session tokens, or other sensitive information. Cross-site scripting can be broken down into two types, stored and reflected. Stored, also known as persisted, is the most dangerous attack because the code will be stored to the server and will attack everyone who views the page. Reflected attack is the most common type of XSS. This type of attack is used when the script is embedded into a link and is only activated once that link is clicked on. So let's switch to my web application and go to cross-site scripting, reflected DNS lookup. Now in the box, let's try inject XSS code to see if the site is vulnerable. So I'm going to use a simple script with the alert message, "You have been hacked." And let's see if the code will be executed. As you can see, the pop-up alert with the message has appeared on my screen. If you want to see the script behind the scene in the code, you can use inspect element and expand the div tag. And here you can see the script that I have used. This is the most simplistic case of cross-site scripting. Now I will stop the video here, and in the next lesson I will cover other XSS examples. So thanks for watching and I will see you next time.